Guys, this weekend we are trying something new and super cool at Pete and Pedro. It is an app-only special. So for you guys that have been around for a little while, you know that we recently launched an app at Pete and Pedro. I got a link to it down below or somewhere around here. Anyway, go and download it because right now for this weekend only, we are doing an exclusive app deal. It's a kit that you're not going to want to miss. You're going to get a Villain fragrance. You're also going to get the body bar for $33. Regular price, $63, which means you're getting $30 off. All right, you're gonna get both of these bad boys. You're getting Villain, the fragrance, amazing, sexy. It's inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, crazy amazing in terms of compliments and you getting sexy smelling. But we want your whole body to smell sexy, and so we're also throwing in the body bar. The new Pete and Pedro body bar is next level in terms of hydration, exfoliation, and you looking and feeling amazing. All right, we've got oat bran, we've got pumice for a nice gentle exfoliant that's actually going to remove all the top dead layer of skin, but we also have packed it full of olive oil and some other amazing ingredients so that you are hydrated. Gentlemen, if you want to grab both of these for $33, you got to first download the app, or if you already have it, go log in. On the homepage, you're going to see a little thing that shows you the deal. It's going to give you the code. Gentlemen, the app, it's the only place to get it. If you're looking to grab these two bad boys for $33, which is $30 off, now is the time. App only. Hit the link. Get it today.